And the information about actually, you know, a normal basic from 2026 to 2030, 5 years from now. Until me yet 2026 focusing in every year. Now what do? Except me do go through from now 2026 to 2030. What is going to happen? Serious things. Yeah. Serious things. Number one, say only me na metro until my kind na maka otwi mu e de akero. Number one, the economy of the world will be in turbulence due to the AI bubble. You can say AI bubble. What do you say? Every company is investing so much into AI because the whole world now is about AI, artificial intelligence. And because everybody is investing into AI, you know, so investment, you know, ebe fail the world. They're going to see any and they show AI no. Sikafo fro bi emfira bonte emma. And into no scanning in AI no artificial intelligence no. In that case, you know, it's like a bubble. Only say, ya young cran you see no ma ahuro na eba no. A bubble and now so I want to partner pie. So the AI bubble, and it's every company, almost everybody is investing into the AI, you know. Ebema AI na pay the investment to never cause serious economic issues in the world. Yeah. So the economy of the world will be in turbulence due to the AI bubble. There will be over investment in AI that will cause radical stock falls. There will be a huge adjustment in AI stocks. It will not be a huge disaster because the economy will recover. And you know, the AI bubble, no, all the investment, serious investment into the AI, no, this year, no, a bit busted. Now, busted, my investment in a radical stock falls. All the stocks need to fall down, radical ones. But fortunately, no, a recover at the end of the day. That's number one.